The semi-automatic strapping machine is a practical and cost-effective solution for securing cartons and packages with strong and reliable strapping. Designed for warehouses, logistics centers, manufacturing units, and distribution facilities, this machine ensures tight and uniform strapping to keep boxes stable during handling and transportation. With adjustable tension control, it allows flexibility for different carton sizes and load requirements. Its fast operation increases productivity while reducing manual effort and packaging time. Built with durable, industrial-grade components, the machine offers consistent performance, low maintenance, and long service life. Energy efficient and easy to operate, the semi-automatic strapping machine is ideal for businesses looking to improve packaging efficiency without investing in a fully automatic system. For more information, connect with us through the contact details given below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video.